Now, I'm not today going to be telling you what is the best organization, because that's just so personal. I'm just going to teach you the skills, the tools to do the organizing. How you want it organized is up to you. But making folders will most likely be key. But what your folders are depends on your interest. I mean, I absolutely have a travel folder that I like putting all my travel-related apps in. You might not. You might have just finance and photos and family. You might have a family one. That's up to you. But if you want to make a folder, how do you do it? Both Android and iOS, you just drag one icon on top of another. But then there's a special way on the Samsung. So let me do iPhone first. And to make a folder, where's my, yeah, on this screen? No. I say, I am going to clean up my screens, and hopefully I'll be making a video on exactly how my screens started out and how nice and clean and organized they are at the end, and that will be available for our Geeks on Tour premium members. For this, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So this excursion and Shearwater and the Dive Plus, I all want to put into a folder called Odyssey, because they're things that I use while we're on the Odyssey. So all I do is well, be careful, touch and hold until it's attached to your finger, and then drag right on top of the other, right in the middle. If you bump up against the edge, they try to get out of the way, and that's something I've learned. And then I want to put another one in there. So where did it go? It automatically named it Sports. I don't like that. I'll change it in a second. But let's say I want to put the Dive Plus in there too. And now I want to change the name of it. Tap on the folder, and now the name appears, and I can call it Odyssey. And done. And then stop them wiggling by tapping outside of it, outside of the folder, and then outside of any icon. If you should change your mind, you can open the folder and you can drag them out. Wait until it's attached to your finger. Come on. Jeez. There. Drag it out of the folder, and once there is only one icon left in the folder, now there is no Odyssey folder because I took all the icons out of it. All right, on Android. Here is that excursion and cruise mapper and circle. Those three things are all related to the Odyssey. So it works the same. Tap on one until it's attached to your finger, drag on top of another, you've made a folder. It doesn't presume to know what you want to name it. So on Android, you do have to add the name. And now I want to just drag another item into that folder. But Samsung has a different way that I really like. So I'm going to undo this folder. And come on. Yeah. So notice some of this is a little tricky. You got to get used to it. Samsung has a different technique called, that is just by pressing options, not by dragging on top of each other. So I can touch and hold, and then notice one of the options is select. Now I can just tap the other things I want in the folder, and there's an option appears at the top that says create folder. Oh, that's a lot easier. I think that's a lot easier. So review, both Android and iOS, you can drag one icon directly on top of the other. Samsung only, you can touch and hold and tap select, tap more icons, and choose create folder.